the Pacific motion of the ocean also. And it is so cold up here, but at least it's not motherfucking raining. I have never seen so much rain here in my life trying to put up a tent with a broken pole as I did just a moment ago, which is why we are now here and no longer at a campsite that I paid for 2 nights. Only $24 a night. I consider it a bargain that we didn't stay. There's always a sign. Pouring down rain, tent poles broken. Hey. Okay, hop out, do your thing. Child has to pee. Doesn't matter where we're at.